Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arfat, and we are going to discuss a very important integration here. This is sin x minus cos x divided by sin x plus cos x of integration. So first we have to multiply the conjugate of the denominator, that is sin x plus cos x, multiply minus cos x and divided by sin x minus cos x of dx. So this is sin x minus cos x divided by sin plus cos x. The denominator is sin x plus cos x. We have to take out its conjugate, means we have to change the sign of the second variable number. So sin x minus cos x, multiply and divide it. So here sin x minus cos x to the whole square, sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x, sin x minus cos x to the whole square. So this is sin x plus cos x, sin x minus cos x of dx. In numerator, this is a minus b to the whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. We have to apply the formula a minus b to the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. In the denominator, this is a plus b, a minus b, it is equals to a square minus b square of dx. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta, it is equals to 1. So sin square x plus cos square x, it is equals to 1. And this is minus 2 sin x cos x. In denominator, we have to take out the negative sign common. Why we are going to take out the negative sign common? We are going to explain this point here. Minus negative sign common, so this is minus cos square, it is plus cos square, and this is plus sin square, it is minus sin square. Now this is cos square x minus sin square x. We have a formula here, because cos square x minus sin square x, it is equals to cos 2x. We have a formula which we have discussed in first year. Cos square x minus sin square x, it is equals to cos 2x. And we have another formula, this is 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, it is equals to sin 2x. So these two formulas we have discussed in first year trigonometric portion. So here just we have to put their values. That is why we have to take out the negative sign common here from the denominator, because cos square x minus sin square x, it is equals to cos 2x, and 2 sin x cos x, it is equals to sin 2x. So just we have to put the results here, that is sin 2x and whole divided by minus cos 2x of dx. So this is minus 1 minus sin 2x divided by cos 2x of dx. Now we have to break the LCM. Minus plus minus 1 over cos 2x minus minus plus sin 2x over cos 2x of dx. So this is minus 1 upon cos, it is sec 2x, and sin 2x upon cos 2x, that is tangent 2x here. And now we have to separate this to find out the integration here. This is sec 2x of dx plus tangent 2x of dx. Now we have applied the formula of integration here. This is minus, remains same. Sec 2x of integration, it is ln sec 2x plus tangent 2x, and whole divided by 2. We have to divide the constant which is given with the angle here. Similarly, tangent 2x integration is ln sec 2x, and again divided by the constant which is given with the angle, plus c. So this is here sec 2x, we have the integration formula here, ln sec 2x plus tangent 2x divided by 2. This divided by 2, we have to divide the constant which is given with the angle of the function. Now this is minus 1 upon 2. This is ln sec 2x can be written cos 2x, and this is tangent 2x, it is equals to sin 2x over cos 2x, bracket close, plus 1 upon 2, and here again this is ln sec 2x, means we can write down cos 2x and plus c. So just take out the LCM here. This is minus 1 upon 2 ln, take out the LCM. So this is cos 2x 1 plus sin 2x. Just take out the LCM here, and this is 1 upon 2 ln 1 over cos 2x and plus c. Now here we have to use the property of the log here. And what is the property of the log here? That is, if this is ln a over b, that will be equals to ln a minus ln b. This is the formula of ln a over b. If it is in division, then it will be equals to ln a minus ln b. We have to apply this formula on this expression and in this expression. So this is minus 1 upon 2 remains same, and now this is ln 1 plus sin 2x and minus ln cos 2x. We have to use the formula which we have discussed here. This is ln a over b, ln a minus ln b. We have to apply the formula on this expression here. Same as we have to apply the formula here also. So this is ln 1 minus ln cos 2x plus c. This is 1 over cos 2x, so we have to apply the formula 1 upon 2 ln 1 minus ln cos 2x and plus c. Now we have to apply minus 1 upon 2, multiply with this one and this one. So this is minus 1 upon 2 of ln 1 plus sin 2x minus minus plus, this is 1 over 2 ln cos 2x here, and now we have to multiply 1 upon 2 ln 1 and minus ln of cos 2x and plus c remains same. So this is minus ln cos x 1 upon 2, this 1 upon 2 multiply by here, and plus 1 upon 2 ln cos x will cancel out to each other. And this is minus 1 upon 2 1 plus sin x plus 2x, and this whole factor will cancel out, and this is 1 upon 2 ln 1 and plus c. Dear students, focus here. This is c. C means the constant, and ln 1 it is also the constant. So 1 upon 2 ln 1 and plus c, this is the whole constant. So here focus students, a very important result we are going to use here. This is 1. 1 can be written sin square x plus cos square x. 1 is, it is equal to sin square x plus cos square x, because sin square x plus cos square x, it is equals to 1. And here this is sin 2x. Sin 2x, it is equals to 2 sin x cos x. We have discussed these two formula in the same question. And this is, I told you, 1 upon 2 ln 1 plus c, this is the whole constant. So constant, it is c. We can write down the whole constant, that is c. And now 1, it is equals to sin square x plus cos square x, and this is sin 2x, that is equals to 2 sin x cos x. Now it become the formula of whole square, that is sin x plus cos x to the whole square plus c. And now in log we have another property here. If this is ln a power b, if it is ln a power b, then the log property, that power become the coefficient of log ln a. So this is ln a power b, it is equals to b ln 2. So here we have power 2, so it become the coefficient of ln, and this is ln sin x plus cos x and plus c. So this 2 will cancel out to this one, and this is minus ln sin x plus cos x plus c. This is the answer of this very, very important integration question. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arfat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.